So we're going to talk a little bit about the role of the consultant after you close your loan. So your loan is now closed and the repair funds are placed in what's called a construction escrow. You're going to receive an email with the introduction of your draw administrator who's going to be assigned to help pay out your contractor. And also the GC will be in process of obtaining the permits. And once the GC obtains the permits, then he's going to contact the consultant to get the 50% payout for the material costs. The material costs that are allowed to be released would be windows, flooring, kitchen cabinets, and roofing. In some cases, they're also allowing for like the wood to get a material disbursement due to the cost of the wood. The consultant performs the draw request inspections after the first draw once the contractor starts to complete work. So draws 2 through 4 are as the contractor is completing work. He'll then get the additional 50% material funds and get all the labor costs reimbursed to him to pay out his subcontractors. The fourth draw that the consultant does is going to be more of the punch list and create the final things that would need to happen to get the final draw, which is the fifth draw. The fifth draw is considered what we call the closeout, and that's where the warranties are given to and the lien releases are signed and collected from the general contractor. So the consultant is paid the draw inspection fees that are financed through the loan. You're not actually paying them unless you exceed 5 draws. And our draw department will pay him out and will do all the paperwork with you. So if you have any questions on what the HUD consultant's role is once the loan closes, please feel free to reach out to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information.